I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access and preparing a safe workspace. Once you have the invite or flag, make a backup and create a dedicated branch called Beta Only. This isolates changes and prevents accidental merges. Next, install the Beta SDK or toolchain and set the required environment variables so the runtime matches the beta environment. Do this now to avoid configuration drift. Getting the environment right first saves troubleshooting time later and ensures you implement the beta code incrementally and keep control with feature toggles. Enable one capability at a time so failures are isolated. Once done, write focused unit tests and mock unstable endpoints to validate behavior without production risk. Make sure to pin versions and document migration steps inline so others can follow. During this middle phase, iterate quickly. Run tests, inspect logs, then refine the integration. Small, repeatable changes keep the process predictable and reversible. You finish by validating the full flow. Run integration and end-to-end tests plus basic performance checks. Once tests are green, merge to main and remove feature toggles in staged steps to avoid sudden exposure. If something goes wrong, revert the branch immediately, gather detailed logs and a minimal reproducible case. This lets you pinpoint the failure without guessing. Make sure to communicate the rollback and next steps to the team so fixes proceed smoothly and deployments stay safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.